Should a person go to college to be successful? Nowadays, many professions require a degree. It's not true at all. There are many professions that always required a degree, but there's nothing that's there's no more today than there was in the past. In fact, it's the opposite. There's less need for a degree today than any other time in history. There are endless amount of people that are making a fortune by creating applications, having all types of entertainment or media types of things on YouTube and TikTok and all of this social networking. There are over 550,000 people in the world today that are worth over $30 million, which is considered ultra high net worth. There are extraordinarily wealthy people in the world, and I promise you, there's more of them that do not have a degree than there are those that do have a degree. Now, is getting a degree necessary? Depends on what field you need to go to. If you're going to go into the medical, accounting, legal professions that require a degree, then it's a rhetorical question. But if you're talking about fields that you could actually learn the skill set either through experience or through professional schools that are not necessarily universities, you can go to a some type of school that teaches that expertise or course, then it's definitely better to do that than to go and waste $250,000 on university and 4 to 8 years of your life, when you could do all of that in a matter of 6 months to a year, if not less. I personally think that the vast majority of people attending college are wasting their money. And by vast majority, I mean literally overwhelming vast majority.